Hello, everybody. What I am going to do is to show you how I'd like for you to set up your digital portfolio for class. So what I'm going to do is go to Google and click on these boxes and then go to Sites, and from here what I'm going to do is actually select to create a portfolio. Okay. The portfolio is just a website, like a place where you can organize photos of all of your artworks and your assignments that you create over this year. So, okay, we have all these sort of things programmed into the or the layout. So what you can do is you can edit this. You don't need this. Okay. So I'm gonna remove these. And I think I'll just start with the whole thing from scratch, just for funsies. And okay, when we are here, what I think works well for us is something like that. And okay, so I've just clicked this layout for the profile. This is nice because you can have a photo of your work and then a title, so it's pretty easy to see a lot of things. I'm going to click upload because I have a photograph on my computer of my work, and so what I'm going to want is to see your projects in a certain order. So my computer, I'm using probably a different computer than you have from school, but the process should be the same. So then eventually when this uploads, okay, now I have my images. What I want to do is actually select the pattern practice that I've completed. I can choose that. Here I will say okay, I want to uncrop. The website naturally puts your photographs into squares, but for us, my photos are not squares. So if your photo is not a square, I'd like for you to uncrop so that we can see the whole thing. To edit text, I can say pattern practice, and then I can write the date, which I think the date for us was about 8/18/20. So fine. Okay, I can do that. And then now I'm gonna actually want to do the same thing with my finished mandala. So I am going to go back to my photos and try to find my mandala. By the time we finish with this task for today, what you should have is, okay, you have a website built, you have these two images here. So you should have both your pattern practice and your finished mandala. At this point, I think I will still select to uncrop. I just prefer that. And then I can say mandala, and then my finished date, which I think was 8/20/20. Okay. There we go. Right now, this was what I have. This is fine. For selected work, all right, I can just remove this. Where this, you can title it what you like. I can say Miss Loftus's digital portfolio, maybe art one, maybe not art one, as you like. You could also, if you prefer, you can write your name here. Okay. Anyways, what you choose to do in terms of like what else you want to add, like if I say, okay, here is a collection of samples, sample works from Art 1 Fall 2020. Okay. I'm not going to be very picky about what you write here and here. Just these should be things that are something similar to this, like a portfolio, something related to art. If you want to add extra information about yourself, like if you want to save this website to share outside of class, that's your prerogative. You have the right to do that. What I do need for everybody though is to have your name somewhere. Okay, this top left corner is pretty easy because it shows up on all pages. This heading is fine. Anyways, just wanted to show you all that. Once you have finished putting in your photos and your name and okay, whatever else you like, what I would like you to do is to publish. And the website, this shows up, okay, like how your website URL will appear. I think that I have, this is the second one that I'm setting up, so I'll say Haley Loftus 2, okay. Um, this may or may not show up for you all, but just this is what I'm putting in so that I remember that it's the one that my second one that I'm making. Okay. Once you are finished with this, you should be able to view your website. And okay, here we go. This is a pretty easy layout, and what you can do later when we need to go and add more pictures, you can go to the edit page, like once you have published it. Once you're editing, then you can go back and make changes, make additions, and that's that. I will just mention that this has an about and a project page. You may or may not want to do these. I personally don't think we need them. I will mainly just be checking this home screen, so please put all of your photos here. Okay, that's that.